everyone, myself is Sathiba from 7th standard. Today we are celebrating National Science Day. As this is a space station. As space station is in low Earth orbit, it is visible to naked eye. It orbits at an altitude approximately 350 kilometers above the surface of the Earth, clocking an average speed of 27,700 kilometers, 17,210 miles per hour, and completing 15.7 orbits per day. Thank you.
My name is Aisha. I am studying 7th class. Today we are celebrating National Science Day. My project is acid nature. The substance that the substance of physical that must be litmus to the litmus. This color changes. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Asar Ahmad. Today we are celebrating National Science Day. This is celebration. On the top of the water air is increases. On the top of the water air is increases and it in the straw and it comes down with the help of straw.
Everyone, my name is Rama Mawra. I am from 7th standard. Today we are celebrating National Science Day. C.V. Raman is one of the most renowned scientists produced by India. His full name was Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman was born on November 7, 1888 in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. His father was lecturer in mathematics and physics.
Shekhar, I am from 7th standard. Today we are celebrating Science Day. This is a electronic cooler using in summer season. Nowadays we are using cooler cases. This is a house in music. My life is in living in houses. My name is Asana. I am from 7th class. Today we are celebrating National Science Day. This is my project. Coronavirus, which is commonly called COVID-19, is an influenza. Coronavirus is a small virus but harmful virus. The most common symptoms of coronavirus are fever, cough, and shortness of breath. In March 2020, the World Health Organization declared the coronavirus outbreak episodes. It spread the ratio in very fast. We can protect ourselves by wearing masks, washing hands, keeping social distance. COVID-19 means CO for coronavirus, VI for virus, and D for disease. Thank you.
Today we are celebrating Science Day. This is my project. Oxygen is one of the main gases present in the Earth atmosphere. The amount of oxygen gas is present in the atmosphere is 21%. Oxygen is a colorless, tasteless, and odorless gas. Oxygen is very essential for survival. Almost all organisms need oxygen to survive. Thank you.
Everyone, myself is Sadhika. I am from 7th standard. Today we are celebrating National Science Day. This is my project, kidney circling model. The kidneys are a pair of pin-shaped organs. They are present on either side of our spine. They are like washing machines for the blood in the body. They filter the blood and take out all the waste in the blood. The kidneys balance the body's fluids. Waste products and excess fluids are removed through the urine. Thank you.
7th standard. Today we are celebrating National Science Day. My project is about lungs model. The lungs are the main organs of the respiratory system. Lungs are present in many animals. Humans have two lungs. The right lung is bigger than the left. The lungs together weigh approximately 1.3 kilograms. The right lung has 3 lobes and left hand 2. Lungs perform the function of the respiration. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, myself is Pooja from 6th standard. This is drip irrigation working model. Drip irrigation is sometimes called drip irrigation and it involves dripping water into the soil from a system of small diameter plastic pipes. Drip irrigation water applications are more featured than with other methods. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself is Kriti. I am from 6th standard. Today we are celebrating Science Day. This is zoo park. This all are animals. This is kangaroo. This is elephant. This is whale. This is giraffe. This is cow. This is dog. This is dinosaur. Thank you.
Good afternoon everybody, my name is Sina. I am studying in 7th standard. Today we are celebrating National Science Day. Satellite is a smaller object visitors and a large object in space. Example, moon is a natural satellite of Earth communication. It refers to the exchange of information between two or more entities through any medium or channel, or it is nothing but sending, receiving and processing of Earth satellites communication.
Hello everybody, myself Juraya Khanam from Little Flower Hill School. Today I am explaining about solar system. This is Sun. Sun always rotates on its place. Planet of our solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus is the second planet of our solar system. Earth is the third planet. Earth is the largest inner planet. It is covered 2/3 with water. Earth is the only planet in our solar system where life is possible. Mars is the fourth planet. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and it is often referred to as the red planet. This planet has a reddish appeal because of the iron oxide present on this planet. Jupiter is the fifth planet. It is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter has a strong magnetic field. Jupiter largely consists of helium and hydrogen. This is sixth planet, Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is also known for its ring system, and these rings are made of tiny particles of ice and rocks. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is lightest of all the gained and outer planets. Presence on methane in the atmosphere. This Uranus planet has a blue tint. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet in our solar system. It is also the coldest of all planets. Neptune is around the same size as the Uranus. Pluto is the last planet of our solar system. Each planet revolves on its own orbit. This is our solar system. Thank you very much.
Maharashtra Bhubaneswar and this Penna river flows from west to east and is covered into its side Karnataka, which flows from west to east. That is Narmada river. Narmada river which starts at Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. It is flow at west to east, and in Narmada river that is from dam, Sardar Sarovar dam, and that is Tapti river. It flows from west to east. There also in Gujarat. This is east to east, sir. This is west to
Only two rivers are in India.
flows
East to west.
This is Himalayas, and Himalayas start in Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, and this is 2400 kilometers, and this is Thar Desert located in Rajasthan, and this is Aravallis located in Rajasthan and Gujarat, and this is Vindhya Satpura Ranges. It is located in Madhya Pradesh, and this is Eastern Plain, and this is Western Plain, and this is Western Ghats, and this is Eastern Ghats. This total Deccan Plain.